Award to be presented this eve. At the National Industry Brand Excellence 2024, the National Industry Brand of the Year, Large Scale. Let's take a look.
We wanted to do things our own way. To make something that is better for the farmers, our employees, the community, the planet, and you. We understand that who makes it and where it's from is naturally reflected in the end quality. And in order to maintain this standard, we needed to build our own supply chain that would allow us to be involved at every step of the process. From supporting our farmers through the meticulous craftsmanship of our factories, directly to you. That's what inspires us and keeps us moving forward. Being sustainable, organic, safe, and fair trade isn't just seen around our factories and fields, but can be felt in the quality of our foam. Earth foam is good to the core.
එසේනම් කර්මාන්ත අමාත්‍යාංශයේ මඟ පෙන්වීම යටතේ ලංකා කාර්මික සංවර්ධන මණ්ඩලය සංවිධානය කළ ජාතික කර්මාන්ත සන්නාම විශිෂ්ටතා 2024 වසරේ විශිෂ්ටතම ජාතික කර්මාන්ත සන්නාමය මහා පරිමාණාංශයෙන් හිමි කර ගනු ලබන්නේ.
Earth Foam Private Limited. Yes, let's put your hands together and give a big round of applause. Earth Foam, the National Industry Brand of the Year at the National Industry Brand Excellence 2024 Large Scale winner, Earth Foam.
Earth Foam Private Limited. මහා පරිමාණ ජයග්‍රාහකයාට හැම තැනකින්ම හැම කෙනෙකුගෙන්ම අත්පොළ සන්නාදය.
With that, we thank the presentation party and invite Honorable Dr. Harini Amarasuriya, Prime Minister and Minister of Education of the Democratic Socialist Republic of Sri Lanka, our chief guest tonight, to address the gathering.